Hi there. I love working with leftovers, and I think the first time I was really inspired by that was with the show Chopped, where it's the show on the Food Network where they have a basket of ingredients and they always put something really weird in it. So since I've seen that show, I look in my fridge on the ship and at home too, and look at items differently now and think, okay, well, how can I add this to something else? I made butter chicken, and I used turkey this time. I had a lot of turkey breast meat left over, so I thought, oh, I'm just going to use turkey. Well, apparently that idea wasn't really well received by some of the people. And they were like, no, you have to make it with chicken. So I had quite a bit of the butter chicken, not chicken, using turkey. So I thought, well, okay, how am I going to use this? So I had an idea. I decided to strain the butter chicken, well, butter turkey, and separate the turkey meat from the sauce. So I'm going to use the sauce to make curry noodles, and I'm going to use the turkey to make a turkey salad with today's lunch. It takes a little time, so start early, and I just move it around, and of course make sure your bowl is big enough to catch the sauce that comes through, and not to that the colander does not touch the bottom, because then of course it's not going to run through. So yeah, I'm going to go back to chopping the vegetables for my beef barley soup and come back every once in a while and stir this so that it goes through. So you can see that a lot of the sauce has run through, and if we look underneath, there it is. So the sauce part, I'm going to use that tonight for the curry noodle. And then here I had the turkey meat, and it's really broken down nicely too. So I'm going to take that out, get to room temp. So now you can see it's separated. I have the sauce on this side, and then I have the turkey on that side. So with the turkey, I'm going to make a curry salad. I'm going to add Granny Smith apples, pecans, celery, and make a nice salad, cold salad. And then over here, I'm going to heat that up and then make curry noodles. So now I'm going to use the sauce to make some curry noodles. So that is the results from splitting the butter turkey. So with the sauce, I made the curry noodles, and with the turkey, I added the apples, pecans, celery, and just mixed it together. It didn't need anything else, and it just made a really nice salad. So some had it on a sandwich, and some had it just as a cold salad. How's that for leftovers? It's going to be a beautiful day.